Hey there, welcome to today's video where we'll tackle a common problem that many LaTeX users face. Imagine you have a beautifully formatted LaTeX document with citations, and you want to convert it to HTML using Pandoc. Everything looks great, except for one tiny issue: of citations in the HTML output are not hyperlinked. Frustrating, right? But fear not, because I have the perfect solution for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve the problem we just discussed. The key here is to set the link citations metadata value when running Pandoc. By including metadata link citations in your command line, the citation dates will automatically become clickable links in the HTML output. Just like magic, your citations will now lead readers straight to the references section, making your document even more user-friendly. Now let's dive a bit deeper into the solution. By setting the link citations metadata, you're essentially telling Pandoc to create clickable links for your citations. This simple tweak will enhance the navigational experience for your readers, allowing them to easily jump to the source material or references section with a click. It's a small adjustment that can make a big difference in the functionality of your HTML document. In summary, we've addressed a common issue faced by LaTeX users when converting documents to HTML using Pandoc. By setting the link citations metadata, you can create clickable links for your citations, improving the overall reader experience. And with that, we've successfully resolved the problem at hand. Remember, a small adjustment can sometimes make all the difference in the world of document formatting. Thanks for tuning in today. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and leave a comment below. Until next time, happy formatting!